We're here at beautiful La Jolla Beach in Southern California, and we're going to witness a never-before-seen natural phenomenon. We have a raven, a seagull, various pigeons, squirrels, all about to fight over an onion ring. And here goes the onion ring, and watch the action begin. There we go. Seagulls ahead. Seagulls got it. Here come the pigeons. Squirrels seem to be left out. The raven doesn't want to mess with the seagull. Oops, here comes competition. Other big seagull. And now we have big gray animals. Also seagulls. Let's throw a french fry into the mix and see if we can start a gang fight here. Here we go. Okay, look at that. Some more french fries. And I just want to tell you, these french fries are exclusive. They came from the Hard Rock Café. These are high-class french fries. These birds have good taste. We've got a frenzy going on here. Oh, catch in the air. That was the Michael Jordan of seagulls right there. Here we go. More french fries. Here we go. Here we go. Nice birdies. Okay.